this video, we're going to show you how to use the downgrade protection of the transport checks for a customizing request. As an example, we're using a currency customizing request to simulate a downgrade error. Before you get started, make sure you have the project admin, project lead, or project member role. In the Features app, we have two features with each containing a different customizing request for a currency change. First, we're creating a new currency in transaction OY03. We're saving the new currency entry on the transport of our first feature. In the next step, we're releasing the customizing task with transaction SE09. Let's switch back to the Features app to release the customizing request and then deploy it. Next, we're changing our test currency and save the changes on the customizing request of our second feature. As we did for our first feature, we're releasing the second customizing request. In the first feature, we're continuing with handing over the feature to test and then confirm the successful test. Now we can perform the transport checks. As you can see, the check was completed and no issues were detected. Let's continue with our second feature by deploying the customizing request. Then we can hand over the feature to test and confirm the successful test. Now we can perform the transport checks for our second feature. As expected, the check result of the downgrade protection shows a warning. When we select the downgrade protection result, we're navigating to the Transport Checks app to get more details. There you can see that a potential downgrade was detected. When we select Potential Downgrade, a popover is displayed that explains how to solve the issue.